We are in 2026 and it's time to get back in the groove. So I've not traded since November 2025. So I've been traveling here and there. The last place I was in Cape Town, South Africa for January. Now it's time to get back. So because I've not traded for so long, I don't want to deposit a lot of money. I just want to start with 100 British pounds and grow it for the whole month just to get the discipline back. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be targeting 10% of the account and risking 4% of the account every day for the whole of February. Then we're going to see how far this grows. I hope you follow the challenge with me and you keep doing the same. We need discipline so that we make money consistently in trading. Make sure you've joined our Telegram by just clicking the join Telegram. And then if you're depositing and withdrawing and you're in Kenya, you can use our platform by clicking the deposit and withdraw instantly. So once you get to ai.moneyhgg.com, today I'm going to be using this bot called Martingale. So I'm looking for the bot called Martingale bot. This one, just click load. And once we load it, this bot deals with over under mainly. So what's 10% of 100? That's $10. So we are going to be targeting $10, but our stake is not going to be $10. Our stake is going to be 4% of $100, which should give you $4. And then our prediction, I'm going to be doing over 3 today, martingale of 2. And then this prediction goes here. So once you change this, you're good. And this is the martingale. I'm going to be using a martingale of 2. So if I lose, it multiplies by 2. If I win, it remains the same. And then contract type, you could change here to under or over. So we're going to be doing over 3. But even if you don't change this usually is on one side. So you don't trade like both sides. So that's it with the bot. And this is a market here, continuous indices. So we're going to be using one of these markets. So let's go to the analysis. That's what we're going to be using for our trades. And just to explain, the one with the red circle represent the least appearing. The one with the orange circle represents the second most appearing. The one with the blue circle represents the third least and the second least. And the one with the green represents the most appearing. And this is on 1,000 ticks. So I'm going to use the 1,000 ticks. What am I looking for? A market where 0, 1, 2, and 3 are below 10.5%. And the blue bar, the orange bar, the green bar, all of them, and the red bar, all of them above 3. Let's go. So once you find that market, we are going to be trading that. So that's 15 on S, that's 25 on S. And let's go for 31S. So we're just checking the markets right now. So there's usually no need to rush anything. So you just look for the market. If you don't find the market, you can always come back and check later. So there's usually no hurry with your money. Remember, this is your money. So you can see 91S. If you check bot builder, it changed to that market. And you can see this is on over 4321. So that's why I was saying this doesn't really matter, but you can change it. So once you change on the analysis, it changes even on the bot. So as you can see, the most appearing is above 3, the least appearing, second least, and all and whatnot. So we're going to click on journal here or transactions and wait for our entry. So our entry is, it touches the digit 3, then it touches either 0 or 2. So it's time to wait. So here is where the patience comes in. Let's in. So let's see over 3, 1. So remember we're targeting 10. So it's going to take 3 contracts first of all. So that's the first 3. So we have $6. Remember, not $6, but £6. Remember, we are targeting 10. So we can look for another entry before we call it a day. So you can see, I think the market has changed. The second list has come to this side. Now it's good. So wait for it to touch 3. So 3. And then, no, be patient. 3. 3. So you wait for it to touch 3 and then 2 or 0. Just give it a moment. Just be patient. Never in a rush. Your hand should be on the cursor 3. No. So, and check they're all below 10.5. There's been a little change in the market. So we wait. All right. It's good now. 3 keeps touching 3 and then goes the other end. So not yet. So you just wait. It seems like 3 is becoming 3 and 1 are competing for the second least appearing, but let's just wait. So there is no hurry. There is no hurry. And you can see 0 has increased to 10.5. So this market, I think it has changed. So let's see if we get another market. If we don't, we wait for the next session. Not quite. So from 0 to 3, below 10.5, 10.4, 10.3 there. If it's below that, it's good. It's not set on stone that it has to be below 10.5. Let's see, 3 is the most appearing, so that's not a good market. No, I can see no 25 on S. No, but if you check the journal, you can see these were last digit is higher than 3. So we are taking over 3 trades. That's 25 on S, 30 on S. No. So never rush yourself. Remember, it's your money. You are risking your own money. Let's see, 3. So this is a good one, 3. So if you want to confirm, you can just check. It's over under. You can leave it at both or put over, which is also here. So you don't have to worry. Stake is 4. Prediction is 3. Martingale is 2. And it has changed to 51S. So anytime you change the market here, it changes even on the bot. So 3, touch 3. I can see these are gaining power. And then the 3 has become the least bearing. Now it's good now. Let's see, 3. I missed that one. That was a good entry. I missed that one. 3, no. 3, no. It has to touch 3. Just wait. Just wait. Give it time. There's no hurry, and don't click the run button by mistake. So we missed the other opportunity, but we are gonna wait. We are gonna wait. There's no hurry. There's no forcing it. This is our own money. 3, no. My man. 3, 2. Okay, go. So we just need one more. That's it. That is the first day of our trading. So remember, we are targeting 10% of the account. We are risking 4% of the account. So you can see how many contracts did I take? 5. How many wins? All of them are wins. And as I said, look for market where 0 to 3 are below 10.4, 10.5, whichever you want to choose, just below 10, 10.5. Then blue bar, which is the second least appearing digit, should be above 3. Red bar, which is the least appearing digit, should be above 3. Green bar, which is the most appearing digit, should be above 3. 10 from there, just make sure this is 1,000 ticks, and it will be as simple as that. That was over 3, as you can see, over 3. And we have managed to do it for the first day. So tomorrow, we are going to again target 10% of this, risk 4%. I'm just going to be doing that for the whole of February, just to get back in the groove because I've not traded for quite a while. I hope this helps you out. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment on the comment section and I'm going to assist. And then if you want to understand other strategies, this is one strategy that you can check. If you're a total beginner and you're starting today, just watch this video. It's going to help you a lot to understand these markets. Take care, guys, and see you tomorrow.